Ever wonder why your credit report feels like a three-headed beast? You finally decide to take the plunge, a new car, a dream vacation, or maybe that home renovation you've been putting off. Loan applications are flying out, but then comes the waiting game. Will your credit score be enough? But here's the thing, you have a credit score. Not just one, but three. Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, the big three credit bureaus. They all track your credit history, but lenders can use any one, or even all three, to assess your loan eligibility. So, why does it feel like a three-headed beast when it comes to your financial future? The answer, like most things finance-related, isn't as simple as a one-size-fits-all approach. Lenders have their own preferences when it comes to credit bureaus. Some might rely heavily on all three, while others might have a go-to favorite. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Equifax, one of the big three, and why some lenders might use it exclusively. Equifax, a credit bureau powerhouse. Equifax boasts a long history, dating back to the late 1800s. It's a major player in the credit reporting game, collecting and maintaining information on millions of consumers. This information paints a detailed picture of your financial habits, including your credit card usage, loan payments, and even public records like bankruptcies. But why might a lender choose Equifax over its competitors? Here are some key factors. Data specialization. Equifax has a reputation for focusing on specific data points that lenders value. For instance, they might have a more robust system for tracking employment history, which can be crucial for certain loan types. Geographic reach. Equifax has a strong international presence, making it a good choice for lenders with a global reach. This can be particularly relevant for cross-border business loans or international mortgages. Focus on alternative data. In recent years, Equifax, like other credit bureaus, has begun incorporating alternative data points into their reports. This can include things like utility bills or rent payments, which can be helpful for people with limited traditional credit history. So, who uses Equifax only? Unfortunately, there's no simple answer. Lenders can be very secretive about their credit bureau preferences. But some general trends might give you a clue. Smaller lenders, especially those that operate locally, might rely more heavily on a single credit bureau like Equifax, simply due to cost effectiveness. Specialized loan products. Some loan types, like second mortgages or auto loans, might have lenders who prefer Equifax data based on their specific evaluation criteria. Private lenders might be more flexible in their credit bureau preferences, potentially using Equifax if it aligns with their internal risk assessment. The takeaway, don't put all your eggs in one basket. While some lenders might favor Equifax, it's crucial to remember you still need to maintain a healthy credit score across all three bureaus. Here's why. Spreads the net. Keeping a good credit score with all three bureaus increases your chances of loan approval, regardless of a lender's preference. Accuracy matters. Errors can creep into credit reports. Monitoring all three bureaus helps you identify and rectify inaccuracies quickly. Future flexibility. You might need a loan from a lender that relies heavily on Experian or TransUnion down the line. Building a good credit history everywhere gives you more options. Action steps. Take control of your credit health. Empower yourself. Here are some steps you can take to manage your credit across all three bureaus. Free credit reports. Take advantage of your free credit reports from each bureau annually. You can request them at Annual Credit Report. Dispute errors. If you find any errors, dispute them directly with the credit bureau. You have the right to fight inaccurate information. Build a positive credit history. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit card balances low, and consider building your credit with a secured credit card if needed. Remember, knowledge is power. Understanding how lenders use credit bureaus is a powerful tool. By monitoring your credit health across the board, you'll be well positioned to secure the loans you need, regardless of the lender's preference. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.